Okay, a great challenge today, and a lot of students might be saying, okay, this is the easiest challenge I've ever seen, 4 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2. So I learned this stuff in the third grade, subtraction, division, I learned this, I know how can we solve this, but a lot of students make this common mistake because this is a very tricky challenge, and right now I suggest you to pause the video, try to solve it by yourself. What do you think is the correct answer to this challenge? 3 options, A, B, and C, so choose one option, write your option down into the comment section. We will check our answers in 1 minute, so it will be really interesting. First of all, I want to start with this first interpretation. So a lot of students solve this question like that. So we have 4 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2. Here is our challenge. And a lot of students say, okay, we have the same expression on left and right hand side of this division sign. So on the left hand side we have 4 minus 2. On the right hand side we have 4 minus 2. So right here we have 2. Right here we have 2 also. So 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. Okay, so and the correct answer is 1. A lot of students say 100% correct answer is 1. But in terms of math, we should know what is the correct order of operation to do this problem, because it not works only in math. Generally, you should know what is the correct property, correct rule in science, in biology, in chemistry. You should know what is the correct property, correct rule, correct way to solve question, and it works in math also. Yeah, so we should know what is the correct thing to solve these challenges. And in this case, we should know about the correct order of operation. For example, let's look at this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific, graphing calculator works according to PEMDAS order of operation. So, and obviously it doesn't matter, maybe PEMDAS, BODMAS, it works absolutely in the same way. So you can also use your order of operation because a lot of countries works according to BODMAS order of operation. And according to this PEMDAS, let's solve this challenge. So we have 4 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2. So here is our challenge. And we have a lot of steps right here. So the first step, parentheses, so we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses, which is our first step. Next, we should evaluate exponent. Then next, we should evaluate multiplication division group. And the last step is addition and subtraction group. Okay, so first step, parentheses. Next step, last step, sorry, addition or subtraction. Okay, so let's scan what elements do we have in our challenge. We have subtraction, we have division. So where do we have these elements? So first of all, division in this part, yeah, and subtraction we have in this part. We don't have addition, we don't have multiplication, we don't have exponent, we don't have parentheses. And right now, as I told before, higher position, higher priority. And if you look closely, we have only two elements, division and subtraction. And division is all the time is up than subtraction, so it has a higher position than subtraction. So it means that division has the higher priority than subtraction, and also it means that we should divide at first. With the subtraction division sign, we should start from this division in the middle. So we have 4 minus 2 divided by 4 equal to, let's write it as a fraction first of all, yeah, and minus 2, for those who don't understand, I write it as a fraction, so I cancel 2 and 2 on numerator and denominator, and also 1/2 is also known as 0.5, so this is absolutely the same thing, yeah, so equal sign, so we have 4 minus 1/2, this is 0.5, and minus 2, which is equal to. So 4 minus 0.5 minus 2, it looks like 1.5. So we complete the division part, and the last step, as you can see, very basic subtraction part, and moreover, we don't need our order of operation where we have only subtraction. It is like basic math, so you don't need it. But if you have a lot of math operations like that, division, subtraction, so sometimes you need order of operation. Write that order of operation in the angle of your paper. It helps you a lot, because there are a lot of challenges with square root, with parentheses, with exponent, with a lot of complicated math operation where you should know about order of operation also. Yes, you should write these PEMDAS in the angle of your paper, and then you can easily solve it step by step. So we have this option C, and right now we have option C, we have option A. So which is the correct answer, option A or option C? If you look closely right here, this is a really bad solution, because we subtract right here first, we subtract from here as a second step, which is really a bad thing. As I told before, subtraction is all the time after division, so division is our first step. With parentheses, this is a case solution, because then you should start from this parentheses, then you should start from this parentheses. So with parentheses, correct answer is option A. In our case, we don't have parentheses, yeah, so we should solve it like that. So the correct answer is option C is a correct answer. So let's write our answer. Option C is a correct answer to this challenge. You can easily check this answer in your scientific or graphing calculator, but don't use a regular calculator, because sometimes happen that calculator solves your problem as you type it in. So for example, you plug in 4 minus 2, your calculator gives you minus 2 instantly, or sorry, 2, yeah? And then a calculator divide by 4 and subtract 2. So as you can see from left to right, and try to solve this problem, try to type this question, the whole entire question, okay? If you plug in the whole entire question, your calculator say, okay, I have subtraction, division, and I know that division is a first step. So I hope you understand this moment, because sometimes calculators solve your problem as you type it in. So subtraction, division, subtraction, because calculators doesn't know what is the next step. Okay, so try to put the whole entire problem, and then you can easily solve this question like that. So 1.5 is the correct answer to this challenge. So definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. And also, if this video is helpful, if your answer is the same as mine, leave a like, write any comment, and that definitely help me out now for this particular video. So thank you for your time, have a great day, and see you in the next videos.